This is a 2D with two-dimensional ultrasound magnified view that of the fetal heart. Now, can someone let me know that is the heart normal? Is there any valvular lead? I am not an expert in echocardiography. However, I am going to show you whatever possible by my knowledge. Now this was the magnified view. Let's come to the normal. Cardiac flicker 136 beats per minute with regular waveform. Now if one of the question asked by me was how to get the fetal heart rate. It's very easy. Go to the see the head of the fetus, then you will see the neck, and then you will see a flickering area that will be the heart, and then try to get the full temporal view of the heart as you are seeing here. And here you place the cursor on either this flapping structure or this one. Anywhere you will place, you will get a waveform on the left side of your screen, and when you get it, then anywhere you run from here, it's in fact already given on your equipment how to calculate the fetal heart rate. It will calculate automatically. What you have to do is either you take the height of the one waveform and go to the height of the other waveform, or you go from the depression of the one waveform to the depression of the other waveform, and that will give you the heart rate of the fetus. Now in this case the heart rate is 144 to 145 beats per minute with regular waveform, and this is with a normal. In some equipments you do have to go from one, you take the height of the one waveform, skip the other, and go to the third one. But in my equipment I just have to go up to one waveform. So it will also depend upon the machine, on the equipment that you are using, and this is the method of calculating the waveform. Otherwise you may have to use a scale for the same purpose. If you don't have the facility, but it's really it's unbelievable that in this era any machine you are using it is not having automatic calculation of the fetal heart rate. What only is required that you are getting a proper waveform. Now, if I take the measure it from here, then the wave is about again 144 beats per minute. So a variation may occur. We may see a variation of 5 to approximately averaging 5 beats per minute. If you don't get a 4-chamber view, it's difficult for you, then you can even measure the fetal heart rate from any location where you are seeing the flickering of the heart. Place the cursor, go to the BM mode, place the cursor on the most flapping area. That this is for the beginners, very beginning level, and place the cursor on the area that you see is moving, flipping the most. This I see here, this area, and you will get the waveform. Now this is the another waveform. I will go from the depression of the one waveform to the depression of the other waveform. So this is how we get the cardiac heart rate. Thank you very much.